Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you all had a great trading day today. Interesting day in the market. Really another day of consolidation, not much going on until we had the all-time high and the subsequent flush. Did not accept it, rejected it right away, and kind of pushed back up towards close. So, it's really an indecision day. If you look at the daily candle, we'll get to that at the end. But right now I wanted to go over a trade review or a trade recap that I did for Snow, which I pulled off of the watch list from Sunday. So if you watched Sunday's video, I gave you guys a heads up. You can play Snow both ways. A break of the trend line above, set an alert, and if that didn't hold, we could see a flush. That's exactly what happened. Broke the triangle, a complete flush down to the psychological 300 where buyers stepped in right away and pushed it back up. So you get a strong bounce off of 300, held into close. I jumped into some 325s, took most of my profit here around 37%, left a couple runners for tomorrow. And we'll see what happens in the market. It's up after hours. So potential to gap up, is pretty high in my opinion. We can easily get, back to the ADMA, which is 335. Snow is one of those names that just runs. But I'll show you guys the signal that I used to jump into the trade. And it was once everything flushed, you get these climax candles, the volume candles, something you have to pay attention to. It flushes right down to where they want to take it, 300, and the buyers step right in. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of selling really big red candles, and it starts to taper off. So you get the climax here. You get 1, 2 bars, really high above average volume, and it starts tapering off. Here come the bulls. Bulls stepped up right here on this candle. Big push, hourly close above the ADMA. That's really big, something to always look for. And this was intentional. Anytime you get a name that sells off this harsh, and you use your psychological numbers, the 300s, the 315, 325, using round numbers, it's a low entry trade, very, very low entry trade. You cut it below that if it dips below. Got a $15 bounce from there. So I didn't jump in right away. I waited till about 310, $310 to get in, paid $240 for the contracts or somewhere around there. And, up nicely, 37%. Can't ask for too much more than that on a day like today. Let's go over SPX and what happened there. Complete indecision candle. This is as indecisive as it gets. Doesn't know what to do. Rejected all-time high. We hit all-time high here this morning, or maybe pre-market, and flushed down. And look at this. We have the same size tail as we do upper wick. So not much going on there. NQ was very interesting. Very, very interesting. Sunday as well, I mentioned we had the possibility of a fake out breakout. So, we closed, the end of the year really, really bullish. Set new highs, came back down. Now we're sitting at the 0.5. So, I expect possibly an inside bar day tomorrow and go from there. But, we're just chopping around, near all-time high. So the market has to pick away a direction to go soon. It can't chop around for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So it'll be interesting. Do we break all time higher? Do we come back down to the golden pocket? But again, this stuff is intentional. Anytime you pull a fib and you can get something down to the penny, you got to watch out for it. So we broke in the ADMA, we lost that, and maybe there's a good chance we hit back down to the golden pocket. It was kind of weak today, so something to look forward to. Fun stuff the week ahead. Believe we have Powell in the next 8 days or something like that. So, more Fed talk, just stuff to be mindful of. It's probably not swing season too much, something light, but day trades are there. You use simple stuff like this. Psychological numbers, volume climaxes. This is exit volume is 3 times the bull volume. So you get something like that, and when it tapers off, you buy the psychological number, and if it loses it, you cut. But, I was fortunate enough to get a nice entry, and I'll play this until tomorrow. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.